380, 460, 350, 300, 380, 415, 340, 320. You know I can't leave you alone here. Come on. Well, we'll get this thing up in the air, get a game plan for fixing the grounds and fixing the wiring that's been hacked and chopped on, and hopefully be done with this thing. Well, I figured you'd be at work.
I'm running behind.
Oh. That happens, doesn't it? That happens.
I had my alarm set for 1 o'clock. And I like to be there right at 2.
Right.
What'd you find, bud?
Well,
It's just where they try grounding
it.
it.
They're grounding it, right? They tried to ground. When I seen that, I thought, well, maybe, maybe not. But you're trying to ground through a valve cover that has a gasket on it.
Right.
Back. I know it's happening a little during the action.
And he said there's something. He says it's got that broken mount in the front. He said, but I think one of the CV joints in the front end's going bad because it clumps.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, I guess it could be this.
It's
motor.
all-wheel
It could
drive.
be this motor mount over here.
I will get that fixed then. I mean, if you can verify if that's what it is.
Let's get them and I'll put it in.
Okay. But just verify that's what it is.
Well, here, I can.
He said
here,
something
I
about
can-
drive shaft.
here, I-
Oh, hell yeah, motor mount. Having one off the 5.3 work? We got something running out.
What?
Something just got pouring out of this thing.
Well, those lines broke. Line broke right
Make it more work.
there. Really? I did that. I moved those up to get them out of my way so I could see that wiring.
Is that the plastic ones that just clip on?
Yeah.
Damn, I'm gone.
Okay.
Thanks, you, sir.
Sure. No problem. No problem. See you later. Be safe.
Yeah, you did.
Just like that, it comes off. Can't believe I did that. I took and looped those 2 heater hoses up on the other side of the engine oil dipstick. Kind of puts a little bit of stress on them. And then when he said something about the motor mount, I wanted to see while he was here. And I got in there, and when I torqued up that engine, it kicked up like that. Heater hoses, where they go into the heater core, stayed where they were supposed to, and then that engine oil dipstick tube pushing that way pulled them that way and broke one of them. So yeah, yay me. But luckily that fitting come off pretty easy. So we'll see who's got one and go get it and get that fixed. Yeah, I've got the fitting, hose clamp, and the motor mount. All right. Alrighty, let's see if we can get the new one back down in there. And we'll see. Oh well, if I put it in there, right? Right? There we go. That's different here. That ear sticking out right there will not fit around the frame horn. Oh well, looks like we're making a trip back to Napa. Alrighty, well I am back from the Napa. Got the new motor mount. Looks like it should work. Also picked up the right front axle for this thing. We're gonna put that in also. And also I noticed while I was down under there that the right front sway bar mount has been ripped off the frame, so we'll probably fix that at some point too. Not really a pain, just a lot of places where you just got to hold your mouth just right. Got the motor mount in, got the new heater core fitting put on, the intermediate shaft put back in it. So tomorrow we'll be able to get the ground circuit fixed for the coils, and then get that connector for the camshaft wiring that's down there. Get it fixed and get it put back together like it's supposed to be. Damn it. Hey, ding dong, I want it to go out. You wouldn't know what to do if you caught it anyway. click.